Yum.
Hi everyone, I'm Lili Kiwi. And today I'm going to share some more poems with you. Joining us today, we have my friend Uni the Unicorn. Say hi, Uni. Hi. And of course, you all know Ziggy the Zebra. Come on over, Ziggy. What are you waiting for?
I'm Zappy, I'm Zany, I'm Ziggy the Zebra, and I'm ready for some rad and rapturous rhymes. Hi, Lili, I missed you. What are we reading today?
I have some great poems here to share with you.
All right, I love poems.
The first one is 1, 2, Buckle My Shoe.
A counting song. How high can you kids count?
1, 2, Buckle My Shoe. 3, 4, Shut the door. 5, 6, Pick up sticks. 7, 8, Lay them straight. 9, 10, A big fat hen. 11, 12, Dig and dug. 13, 14, Maids in a courting. 15, 16, Maids in the kitchen. 17, 18, Maids in waiting. 19, 20, My plate's empty.
1, 2, I love you. You're really improving. I can tell you've been practicing.
Thanks, Ziggy. The next one is The More It Snows. The more it snows, tiddly-pom. The more it goes, tiddly-pom. The more it goes, tiddly-pom, on snowing. And nobody knows, tiddly-pom, how cold my toes, tiddly-pom, how cold my toes, tiddly-pom, are growing.
Brr, I get cold just listening to that poem. I prefer a warm habitat.
Hello.
Yeah, Ziggy, but when it's cold, you get to drink hot chocolate.
Yum yum.
The next one is Mary Had a Little Lamb.
I think I know this one.
Yep, me too. Yay! Do you, kids?
Well, hello there, friend.
Mary had a little lamb. His fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day. That was against the rule.
Oops.
It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so much? The eager children cry. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply.
Aw, that's sweet. And I love you.
Me too, Ziggy.
Aw. Maybe you can take me to school someday too, Lili Kiwi.
Zebras don't have schools, Ziggy. The next one is Sing a Song of Six Pence. Sing a song of sixpence, a pocket full of rye. 24 blackbirds baked in a pie. When the pie was opened, the birds began to sing. Wasn't that a dainty dish to set before the king? The king was in his counting house, counting all all his money. The queen was in the parlor eating bread and honey. The maid was in the garden hanging out the clothes. Along came a blackbird and pecked off her nose.
Whoa! Pecked off her nose? Whoa! That's one angry blackbird.
It was angry because the king cooked it in a pie.
Yeah, I guess I'd be angry too.
The last one is Three Little Kittens. Three little kittens lost their mittens, and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we very much fear what we have lost our mittens. Ciao, ciao. Lost your mittens, you naughty kittens, then you shall have no pie. Meow, 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 no, you shall have no pie. Meow, meow, meow. The three little kittens found their mittens, and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, see here, see here, see here, see, we have found our mittens. Put on your mittens, your silly kittens, and you may have some pie. Purr, purr, purr. Oh, let us have the pie. Purr, purr, purr. Three little kittens put on their mittens and soon ate up the pie. Oh, mother dear, we greatly fear that we have soiled our mittens. Soiled your mittens, you naughty kittens. Then they begin to sigh. Meow, meow, meow. The three little kittens washed their mittens and hung them out to dry. Oh, mother dear, do not you hear that we have washed our mittens? Washed our mittens? Oh, you're good kittens, but I smell a rat close by. Hush, hush, meow, meow. We smell a rat close by. Meow, meow, meow. And that's it.
Wow, those were some good little kittens. They looked all over for their mittens. Speaking of pie, it's lunchtime and my tummy is a-rumbling. I'm gonna go graze on some yummy grass. Bye, Lili Kiwi.
Bye, Ziggy. And thanks to all of you for joining me for these rhymes. Until next time, bye.